Hi, my name is Melty Sarnilio Apostol. I am a doctor of education but a registered financial planner. So I am one of the CEO marketing directors of International Marketing Group. So what is International Marketing Group? It is an exclusive broker of Kaiser International Health Group. For today's video, we'll be talking about why Kaiser is the best HMO with savings program. Kaiser is one of the best savings program because number one, you will be covered with your healthcare. This is a healthcare policy. But the good thing, hindi ka lang cover ng isang taon, 2 taon, kung hindi, lifetime. 7 years ka lang mag-iipon, pero lifetime kang ma-cover ng iyong hospitalization. Number two, ang Kaiser 3-in-1 savings program natin ay meron na pong inclusion na tinatawag nating life protection. Ano po ba ang importansya ng life protection? In case something will happen to you as the plan holder, your family will not go hungry because pwede na po na yung income mo ang pang-replace po sa pagkawala mo to your family members. So that's the importance of life protection. In case may mangyari sa plan holder, sa breadwinner, hindi po magugutom yung ating family. Number 3, meron po itong tinatawag na investment. Yung premium na binabayad mo for 7 years ay maisauli sa iyo with profit, minimum 3% and maximum 10%. The question, saan po ba nakalagay yung ating tinatawag na investment? So, nakalagay po siya sa Soldivo Mutual Funds. Okay? So, pwede nyo ding i-research kung ano po yung Soldivo Mutual Funds. Andoon po yung tinatawag nating investment. Okay? By the way, our company, International Marketing Group, is already like more than 20 years in the financial industry, and Kaiser International Health Group is already more than 20 years din sa HMO. Okay? So, napaka-dami po nating mga clients like Piazza, like Supreme Court, and so on and so forth. So, matagal natin binigay sa kanila yung ating services. Okay? Ako po ay magti-10 years na po sa company na ito at marami na po tayong natutulungan nasa Pilipinas man or nasa ibang bansa. So, kung meron po kayong tanong or katanungan about this program, pwede po kayong mag-PM sa akin, pwede po kayong mag-comment below, pwede tayong mag-usap through Zoom or pwede din Messenger or pwede din magbisita kayo sa opisina. So, mas maganda na matuto kayo sa mga concept about financial education bago po kayo talagang kukuha ng mga policies. So, if you are undecided yet, you need to understand kung ano talaga ang financial education concept. Kung bakit importante na